Hello, fellow funnel hackers. Keith Bell here from Funnellosophy.com, and in today's video, we're going to talk about one of my favorite design tools, Canva. Hey everybody, welcome back. As I said in the intro, we're going to talk about one of my favorite design platforms, which is Canva. Canva is such a versatile platform. There are so many things that you can do. It's going to benefit you to learn how to use the Canva platform if you already don't know. But Canva will allow you to do things like create the Facebook background, the header page for your Facebook page. It'll allow you to create Facebook posts, Instagram posts. You can create letterhead. You can create logos. There's just so very much that you can do, and it by far is one of the easiest, most simple platforms to use. Very much like ClickFunnels in that it's drag and drop. That you just drag your images into where you want to put them and your text, and it gives you templates that you can work with. So I'm really excited to share with you Canva today. But before we go inside my computer and I take you over to Canva, please, if you like what you see here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell, and if there are videos or there are things that you're interested in that you want me to do videos on, please comment in the comments section below the video, and I will try to accommodate all requests. So let's go inside my computer. Okay, here we are inside my computer. Move my mic over here a little bit. And we are inside Canva. Okay, Canva is a design platform where you can design pretty much anything. Over here on the left is my my panel, and I'll show you some of the stuff that I've designed on here. Some stuff for ClickFunnels. Some of my product pages, Funnellosophy University, some client work here. I mean, there's a wide variety of different things that I've created here. Some more client work. So, I mean, there's a lot you can do in here. And basically what you do is, you have a need to design something, and you come in here, and on the left-hand side, there's a big blue button for create a template. But let's look at some of the templates available to you. Okay, first of all, Facebook post. Now, what's nice about this is that the Facebook posts that you make will be the exact size they need to be for Facebook. Okay, they're going to have the exact dimensions that you need to have for a Facebook post. And you can see there's a lot of different design templates you can work with here, and you can change and edit them as you see fit. So, and they run the gamut. Photos, if you need to if you want to find photos to use for your page. So let's type in here, we'll put in here sales funnels. Let's see if it pulls anything up. Yeah, pulls up Easter eggs. Well, that's not what I want. So let's look funnels. And pulls up just regular funnels. How about digital marketing? Okay, so it pulls up a lot of photos that you can use for background images. Okay, apps. You can discover, some of your favorite apps. You can actually connect them with Canva. So if you're using HubSpot, very popular CRM that you use to manage your customers. Let's see, LinkedIn, MailChimp. MailChimp connects directly with this. Okay, your brand kit. All right, this is the Funnellosophy brand kit. I know my colors. I have my logos, and then I have my font set up, all set up ahead of time. They have a design school in here if you want to learn more about how to use Canva. You got courses on social media mastery, graphic design, and so forth. Tutorials, branding, different events. I mean, there's a lot of stuff in here. All right, let's go back. Let's close that out. You can also create a collaborative team. Like if you have a bunch of you that are working on a project together, you can create a collaboration. But let's go through here and let's create a design. Let's do the YouTube thumbnail for this particular video that we're doing here. So let's see here. Music YouTube, food with YouTube, beauty with YouTube, tutorial YouTube. Let's see tutorial here. Use one of the templates here. Find one that I like. I think I like this one right here. Okay, so how to train your puppy. So we're going to change that so that, what happened there? We're going to change that background image. Maybe we won't use that one. Let's do, here's one here. And we want to change this bottom part here. If I could spell today. And of course, when you're doing this, you want to make sure that you're using keywords, and we cover that in another video for designing your YouTube thumbnails. Okay, so that's a pretty simple thumbnail. I may not use that, but we'll change the title up here to Canva thumbnail. Spell that right? Yep. Okay, so if I want to download it, go over here to download. Now there's a couple different ways you can do it as a JPEG, a standard PDF, a PDF print. You can do it as a video. You can do it as a GIF. You can do it as an animation. Okay, and I've used this. My Facebook page, the header is a animated image. So I'm going to use PNG. If you want to have a transparent background, you would click here. And if you want to compress it, because there's some platforms where you go to put a picture in and you can't put it in because it's too big. For example, on ClickFunnels, I think it's 3 or 5 megabytes. Don't quote me on that, but you might have to compress some of your images. So I download it. It's going to prepare my design. And I'll just save it right here. And it is saved. Okay, so some of the other things that you have over here. So photos, if you want to search for photos, you can search for photos over here. Like I'm going to search for real estate agents. These are all different real estate agent. Let's X that out. Let's search for plumbers. All different images of plumbers here. Okay, elements. So if I wanted to add, these are some of the recent ones that I've used. But if I wanted to add a shape, let's say I wanted to add a circle, I could add a circle here just by clicking on it. Now I have a circle. You can change the color background of the circle to whatever you want. You know, maybe you want to put in here, you know, some sort of sale that you're running, you know, whatever. Let's get rid of that. Let's go back up to elements. Okay, frames, one of my favorite frames. So you got a frame here, and let's say you want to add a picture. So we can add uploads, and I think I have a picture of me uploaded in here somewhere. Let's see if I can find it. Hold on one second. There we go. There's a picture of me. So now I take this picture. If I drag it over here, it puts it right in the frame. Okay. Pretty cool, huh? So a lot of different things that you can do here. You can add videos to your background. Let's say you want to add some aerial shots to your background. Let's remove this background. And let's put, see if we can find a cool short little background. We'll add this one here. It's free. And drag this across here. But wait, what happened to our words? That's because Canva works in layering, so we want to reposition this video so that our wording comes across. And all you do is go up to position, and we're going to move this backward, and there we go. Pops right out. Okay. You can share your videos. You can crop them, change the colors. You can undo things that you don't want to change. You can resize them. Okay, change the sizing. You can change from pixels to inches to millimeters to centimeters. Okay, so a lot of great things you can do in here. My suggestion to you is just play around with Canva and learn as you go. All right, take care. See you in the next video.